Hi guys, I thought today we would show you at least 4 examples of cushions, and I'm going to try to simplify it as much as I can. You can really get lost in cushions, especially foam cushions with compression rates and all that stuff, fire retardant things and all that, but I really want to try to break it down simple. I'm going to start with our natural cushioning that we've always had in the upholstery industry. I want to start first with a 50% down, 50% feather cushion. This was just made. This is beautiful. I just want to pick it up to show you. It's got a beveling. It's beveled in here. In between here, there's dividers done in the downproof ticking, which so all this is downproof ticking. We have another divider here, and these pockets are filled individually. In the old days, we used to do it by hand, one handful at a time, and you had to know just where you had to stop, because you can overfill a down cushion too, and then it becomes something else. So this is an unusual product or thing for me, because this is for a seat cushion. This is for a very specific sofa where these cushions fit underneath the back cushions, and it's replacing the down cushions that are there. It wouldn't be my first choice in designing a sofa. I would definitely do it with the next thing I'm about to talk about. But on these cushions here, if you can imagine, I highly recommend these on back cushions, 50 down, 50 feather. So what you would get, let's say a back cushion would be like, this is one half of a T cushion here, guys. But this is the right side of a sofa, or the left. But up here, if you can imagine, let's say you have a rectangular back pillow, you'd have 2 bevels like that. And the thing that's neat about them is back cushions. Again, we all can relate to this. I have 2 back cushions myself at home that I cannot get back to the original, what they were originally. But on a feather down cushion, you can always get it back to its original shape by just going like that, pretty much. That's it. And it comes right back to shape. They're excellent for back cushions. Not as good for seat cushions because they don't offer the support. But I hope you learned something on that. Let's put this one aside and go to the next one. So this is it might look like that one over there, but it's quite different. This has an envelope of down around a foam cushion. I'm going to dissect this for you guys just to see what's going on in here. But it has the same. It's an envelope right here. It does have a separation. They just simply put a stitch there. They don't have that divider there because the foam's there. So it's just an envelope. And the down and feather that they put in, 50-50 down and feather, is probably about this thick, I'd say. It's probably about 1 or 1.5 layers thick. And as you can see, the sides have no down in them, right? And it's just like making a cushion, really, except that it's down in the pockets here. Okay, so and then they close it here. But let's open this up. Open it up this way so I can close this back up again. For your benefit, you guys, let's just see what's going on here. So this is a foam insert, and some people swear by the foam inserts. I like the spring insert. But I want to show you what's going on even on the foam insert. And by the way, all of this, I'm sorry, this is let's take this apart and take a look at this. All of these cushions are available on our website, BroadwayUpholsteryschool.com, and you can we can get any cushion for you. I know we don't list all the different types of cushions, but we can work on the website with anything you want. It would be like a custom order, and you'd probably be talking to me about that. But anyhow, so as you can see, they have this Dacron right around here, so as to give the edges a little softness. Let's just tear this away, and let's open this up. Yeah, so this has springs. This has mattress springs in the middle. So it's a foam. They have 2-inch soft foam around a spring system. So this is an older cushion from a very good manufacturer. That's why I didn't even know what was in it. I thought it was a solid piece of foam. Today you can get it with a solid piece of foam. But this is very close to a cushion that I would sell. I would probably push you towards, if you're going to get it, a high-end cushion, would be a spring and down cushion. But you know, that's pretty elaborate compared to the next thing I'm about to show you. I can tell you that once people upgrade to these cushions, we're finding that people who buy like middle-priced manufactured furniture and they're not happy with the way it sits, we're finding that if people do spend the money and they buy these, and then if they have loose cushions, they put the down feather in the back, it's like a whole different seating experience. It's unbelievable. So it does make a difference what you use in cushioning. So then some people just want the basic foam, which does the trick, by the way. You don't have to spend a lot of money. It depends on what your needs are, and it depends on the furniture. So that would be like a consulting, I would consult with you about that. But a lot of the information you can get on our website, BroadwayUpholsterySchool.com. Check that out, because we have much more than cushioning on there too. And we try to make the process easy, because we know that most consumers are totally lost in all this, especially the foam, especially on the foam. So let's just bring the foam over here. It's pretty much, I didn't close it up or anything, but this is pretty much, this is a back cushion, a big back cushion that I have. So this is a 4-inch polyurethane, as they call it. And it's a 2.6 compression, and as you can see, it's blue. When you see it blue, you know that it's fire graded, Cal 117. Believe it or not, upholsterers are not obligated to use Cal 117. They could use the white foam. The white foam, generally is not as good as this foam. So this is a high density foam. It's going to really last. And then what it gets is just a Dacron wrap. And usually I either hand stitch the Dacron, or sometimes, with the glue, we glue it too. So this is the only foam that you're going to find on the website, BroadwayUpholsterySchool.com, because this is a universal foam. The only deviance from this would be if somebody says, no, I really want a hard foam, and I really quiz them. Are you sure you want the hard foam? Because I'm telling you, it's like a rock. Some people just have different needs, and they can get that, but it's not on the website. It's universally, we have on the website, it's the medium firm foam, and a good quality foam with the Dacron wrap. That's the basic filling, and it's not going to break the bank. So if you've got a sofa or a chair at home that you're not happy with, and you want to replace and upgrade, this is definitely an upgrade. The spring and down cushion, that's like getting the Rolls Royce of cushioning, which sometimes is not always needed. So check that out at BroadwayUpholsterySchool.com, and any questions that you have, we have comments where you're ordering, and we can answer all your questions through that website. But I hope you guys learned a little bit. I know I went through this kind of quick, but that's pretty basic. It's like 4 different types. So you got your spring and foam down wrap, you got your all down and feather cushion, and then you got your foam cushion, and it comes in different thicknesses. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope you learned something. We'll see you next time.